I do have a permit. It says I can do what I want.
Okay. You know what we have to do? We're
I
not
didn't hit
even
record.
recording. Is it red?
Huh?
No, not red. Record.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, now all of a sudden you're gonna go, wow, the audio is so much better. We don't really know. I'm trying out something new. I got this little DJI mic setup, and right now I'm gonna record onto the internal storage.
I'm gonna apologize in advance if you can hear me taking a drink.
Well, but this is so we can also test the equipment out, and this is gonna go into the PACKOUT. Jen's never seen this one. So this is my recording gear.
Ooh, fancy.
And I'm totally going to lay that in there. But...
Oh, are you going to stand it or are you going to lay it?
Stand it, sorry, stand it. So that it can operate. It'll basically be right below
so
the
you
lid.
can just...
And I can pop it, and it's really cool. So it's got a receiver.
Fancy.
This is a PACKOUT related video. I won't go into that. We'll go into different. But GoPro, hear me out. Every single one of these batteries. Can you guys see that? These batteries have got a bulge.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so we'll have to address that. But what we're here... Oh, I should tell, maybe they'll understand it a little bit better. So this is called, it's a hot product, so it's called hot boxing or hot unboxing. There might be another joke in there. You guys figure that out.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. So, for my birthday, I'm older. Somebody got me, PACKOUT Princess, got me these headphones. I got a sleep set of headphones from somebody else. And then these ones, which we've all been talking about. You guys, I posted about this like almost first. And then I got a bunch of hate because the Northern Tool site crashed because Northern Tool wasn't supposed to post it. But they are here. They do exist. They are Milwaukee.
And they're noise canceling.
And they are noise canceling. And I haven't opened it. Literally just, you know, I'm going to wait because you guys need to enjoy this with us.
Wait, hold on. Impact resistant?
Yep, impact resistant. A to C, it's a USB-C charger. Milwaukee's finally.
Jobsite aware mode.
Yeah. So you're going to be able to use these for like real reasons.
As opposed to fake ones?
Well, because everyone, you know, Milwaukee tools, like people like me, we don't actually use our tools. Even though you've got proof. I mean, I did
just for show.
I did an air
It's
filter.
a lot of money to spend on things to just look at them.
Wow. Have you been in the comments?
No, I haven't. I don't read things about that people comment.
So as she said, they're noise canceling.
Well, it says situational awareness, which, as I think their job site aware mode provides controllable situational awareness while reducing intensity of loud external noises. That's an engineer's way of saying noise canceling.
Right, but because you don't want just complete noise canceling, because if you're not aware of your surroundings when you're on a job site, that's going to be super bad.
I've
You know what I
never
mean?
had noise canceling so good that I'm not aware of what's going on.
Okay,
I think
well.
that would be like,
Maybe people are buying the really expensive, like Bose ones that you were looking at or whatever.
oh, those ones are like a hug for your brain.
A brain hug. So it comes with a bunch of different ear size plugs. What do they call those things that go on the end? The tip? Just the tips?
I forgot what I was going to say.
They got the crazy, weird shaped ones. Okay, we're going to leave those in there. It comes with an A to C. And yes, Milwaukee on these new lithium, their USB lithium has started putting USB-Cs. Everyone was like, Milwaukee needs to get into this century. But the other thing, this video, because, you know, so far our minds are not clear from all the hot unboxings, is I'm going to pair this to my phone. But I'm also going to show you, because what is like the number one, do you know what the number one request that people send to us is?
No, because I don't read any of the comments.
But it's like, okay. So the emails that I get and the Instagram messages are, how do you attach it to a PACKOUT? And then you even sent it to me, which was the iPod, AirPod Pros, that somebody 3D printed a PACKOUT case for it. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Why wouldn't you just use this? Why wouldn't you put this on your PACKOUT? It's already red. It's Milwaukee. Don't use your Apple ones.
They
Use these.
missed the boat. They could have made that into a flashlight too.
They have a flashlight that looks very much like that. That's funny you say that.
That's why when you opened it, I thought it was a flashlight, and I was like, cool. These things are awesome, and you just have a billion of them.
Exactly.
Nope, and it turns out they were headphones.
So we have USB-C. We're going to pair this, and we're going to do something really cool with this. Okay? Trust me. Go along. We're going to get this wet, and then tell me if this smells like this. Just kidding. No. We'll get to this in a second. We got a bag of goodies, but everyone keeps saying, JakeOfAll, how do you attach this to a PACKOUT? And I'm going to put it like right here in one of these little holes, but I said holes, not high. Okay, so I'm going to go on my Bluetooth. I have never done this before. I'm going to open this. I don't know what it's going to do.
Oh, that's a pretty case.
Isn't it? Isn't it? How cool is that? Okay, it says that there's a Samsung available. Okay, I don't know how to turn anything on here. Oh wait, we got a little thing to pull. Oh, because they're not charging, which means I might hit pause on this video. No, I know what we'll do.
Oh.
We're gonna let them charge, and we're gonna show them how to attach it. Okay, so here we go. You latch them back in your case. I'm gonna give you a bunch of different options. And most of these things are available at shop.jakeofall.com. There are definitely very intense ways of attaching stuff, more permanent, and then there's temporary, which is why I have the alcohol. Not to chloroform anybody. Okay, so this is a locking foot that we sell. This is designed by Benjamin Johnson, and if you look, it's got the ability to have like a knob. This is a little proof of concept I did with adding a knob to one of these. So anything that you drill a hole in, you could operate that with, right? Stealth mount, double-sided sticky tape. You can see it is locked in there. Okay, this is another Electron Smith Benjamin Johnson design, and this one is rotating locking. So this works like Milwaukee's method, okay? So we've got this. Then we have stealth mounts, which these just go like that, right? And we even have sort of, so these ones you don't lock. You usually just want to do friction fit, which is have it a little off-kiltered, especially if it's two. If you put them a little tight.
And you're just flying on a wing in a prayer?
Yeah, and it's worked out pretty well. Some of these tool guys have really big egos. Whatever. So this is the next one. This is actually was designed before these ones were designed, which these are injection molded. We sell these at shop.jakeofall. We sell these at shop. We sell all these at shop.jakeofall. So this one was like a perfect fit that Ben designed, goes in there. So if I were to take, double-sided sticky tape, put it on this, and go like that, which in this case, I'd want to do a couple layers. That's one thing we've talked about before with you guys, is that if you don't have enough height, for example, this one sits over the edge and you can feel how it, or not, you can't feel it, I can feel it. At all. Where is that thing? No, I'm just kidding. If you can see that it's proud of the surface. So if I put a single strip of double-sided sticky tape on here, I always say, people give me crap that I say double-sided sticky tape, because what other kind of tape is there not sticky tape? I don't know. Let's not get into it. Obviously, we don't use the whole drill one.
I blame 90s marketing, because I'm pretty sure I call it that too.
Double-sided? Okay. Well, I think I want the locking, right? Mm-hmm. And since we can't drill a hole, so when you're on our website, you're going to be like, what are the different options? You're going to sort of use this video. So if I've sent this to you, that's because you've messaged me and you wanted to know how you could attach this to a PACKOUT. So I'm going to do something like that. Okay, and what I'm just going to do is wipe down this surface and wipe down this surface with alcohol. Unfortunately, I am going to have to cover the sticker, but whatever. It's not permanent. It might peel the sticker off. Who cares? Okay, and FYI, if you do have these types of cleats and things like that, you can even get the wall one, and then you can attach this. So this will be able to lock into there. If I use this, I could lock that into there. And if you look, we use this. Does not work with that. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, it does. Okay. So all of these, right, if you have wall cleats, you just, it's not attached to the wall. It's a little harder to use. So let's put away what we're not going to use. Boom, 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 boom. And let's do this. So we have our chloroform. Needs more. It's definitely not chloroform. What is chloroform? Is actually different than alcohol, right? Okay. See, this is how many people I have not abducted Though the internet might suggest otherwise. I made that joke. Hey, should I mention about doing a Q&A?
That would be fun.
So we've got a lot of questions. You know, what's a big question that we've gotten? Can you think of one? Because I can think of one. Has to do with people's hair color. Where's PACKOUT Princess? I get that one. And spoiler of when we do ask, she's still here. She's just in a different part of the state. And duh, she's still around and you see her in videos. That's why we post. So here is my messy version of the tape. Okay. So what, like obviously my brain is scattered too. So what we're going to do is why don't you guys just start asking questions. Right here in the comments, put your questions. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to answer them. But if you have questions, we're going to compile a little list and then we'll do a Q&A like Friday video.
I have a question.
Okay.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
I thought we were answering them in the other video. Okay. I like Velociraptors. Spoil.
Parasaurolophus for me.
Right. Land before time dinosaur. Right. Yeah. And you also said pterodactyls.
No, Archaeopteryx.
Well, you said it was a flying bird, right?
It is a flying bird.
Like
it's
a
not a pterodactyl.
okay, like
it's
a pterodactyl.
Similar to.
Okay, similar. That's the words you used. Okay, so I have it sort of where it lined up, and I have the foot locked in because this is the rotating one, and I want my OCD to be happy. And when I put it on the PACKOUT and it's locked, I want it to be in this position. So I'm happy with that. So then what I'll do is I will peel the backing off, which is the longest part, and I'm okay. Wow. That was a lot of work. Oh my gosh.
That's what she said.
That's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it where I think it looks good, square it up to something, and then I'm gonna push really hard. Really? What's the, without getting demonetized?
Oh,
push
God,
it.
I hate that song. I hate that song.
Push it real
No,
good.
I'm
Okay.
gonna push you off the bench. I hate that song.
Okay. All right.
You have one AirPod working, or one. Oh,
Oh, I got that centered well.
that's fancy.
How cool is that? Okay, so you guys constantly ask how to put something on a PACKOUT, and there you can see, there's the rotating foot. This also works really great for Stanleys. So this one is made to be stuck onto anything. And then if you end up putting something on here, StealthMount even makes this little locking rotator, which works with the PACKOUT cups. And now it works with this. So if I had these up in, it's upside down. So make sure you mount it that way. So it's on your wall. So now this is PACKOUT compatible. I don't mind that it adds size to it. It's red. It's not centered left or right at all, but you know, that's fine. So I'm gonna lock it in, and it obviously is gonna matter how I, okay. And then I open it. Uh-oh, I found a file. I'm gonna use the knife.
Apparently, it's hard to stick your fingers into tight spaces.
Oh, I can't.
That's not how it meant to come out, but
That's what she
that's
said.
exactly how it
Didn't
came
mean
out.
for it to come out. Okay, so I don't know how. Okay, here it goes. REDLITHIUM Jobsite earbuds. I'm gonna connect. This is the left one. Oh, it's connected. Okay, let's. You guys can't hear this, so you're gonna pretend that the royalty-free music that I insert into this video right at this point is amazing sounding.
It's gonna be slightly better than it is.
Everything is awesome.
I don't know how to put these in my ear. I have really tiny holes. Oh, these actually.
Correct.
Okay, so now, well, they're pretty quiet. Oh, there's like ways to tap it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know any idea how to operate this. There's like this
There's a
place
button.
here.
Right there. It's on the back. See?
Oh, okay. So you have pause, fast forward. You can hang up.
Is that your left one or your right one?
This is my
That's your
right.
one.
So,
Right, but see the different
oh,
controls are
so
different
left.
yours.
Okay, so left is for, I'm assuming this is going to be noise canceling.
Yep, and then situational awareness or transparency mode, as the Apple overlords call it. You're gonna do the back.
Oh. Okay. It like does like a little boo-doo-boo-boo. Boo-doo-doo. Oh.
And
Okay,
you
so
hear more
this
noise.
mode, I feel like a little, like like there's a white noise.
Yeah, you're hearing the hum of the
Oh.
old building.
Oh, that was cool.
It's really loud.
I just, sorry about the mic. And that, this was like what was the place we were at? Best Buy. And we were walking around, we weren't walking. But if you've ever used noise canceling.
Headphones, the new Sony ones.
Oh, I like pushed it in the hole a little deeper. Okay, this video's over. I have to take these out because I'm going to be yelling. Okay, so that's crazy. Ooh, I need a Q-tip. And then you've got these little guys. And you put it in. And there, that one's red because that one needs charged. And then that one. And that one was going green earlier. So yellow must mean like halfway. Oh, that's right. It was 3 different colors.
Stoplight.
Yep. So if it's yellow, then there's 30% or something like that, or 30% gone. So, right, close it up. There's a little latch.
I think it shows you on the side, color-wise too.
Yep. Shows you that this internal battery, which if we didn't, I don't think I showed them that. This is rechargeable and it's removable. So this uses Milwaukee's USB lithium platform. And you can charge this in a different device than this, but you can also charge it in this. So if you had a flashlight on your job site that had one of the USB lithiums, you could put that battery in here and get your headphones charged. So the earbuds are getting charged off of the USB lithium battery, but then you can charge this off of anything else. A USB outlet, another USB device, whatever. And then, right, lock it into the PACKOUT. See, look at that. It's going to look good on the job site, right? It's PACKOUT compatible. And these feet that we sell aren't that expensive. And it's not permanently, that's not going to be heavy enough. So at this point, this is long enough. So that's how you mount anything. You can definitely use, screws in addition to this on stuff that you're not worried about breaking. But
JB Weld.
if you want to, oh, right. So Electron Smith, the guy who designed this rotating foot, was like, sometimes I just glue or hot glue these into place. So yeah, any kind of glue would probably work. Make sure it says plastics, but I know JB Weld says works on plastic. So she has a good point. And it's easy to do. And it didn't take, actually took longer to peel this off than it did anything else. And nobody was abducted in the making of this video. This was all willing participants. And this is alcohol, not chloroform. So let me know if you liked this wake and bake. No, what did we call it? Hot unboxings. Okay, I know this has been out for a little bit, but I had to get it. So it is slightly hot, but it's slightly not. And it's a hot unboxing might mean something else. So that's it. Now you can mount anything. So I'll put a link in the description to the store where you can get all these feet that we sell, or you can buy them anywhere else. But we'd prefer you buy them from us because then I can keep doing crazy, stupid videos like this. So I'm done.
That's what she said.
All right, well, in the style of normal PACKOUT videos, PACKOUT.